everyone. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to download, install, and use Claude AI on your computer in just a few minutes. So to start, you have to go to Claude AI. So go to the search bar and search for Claude AI. Scroll down and look for Claude AI and tap on that, and you'll be redirected to their page. Now, if you're already logged in, you need to log out first and then refresh the page. Now, you need to scroll down and tap on download desktop app. So do that and it will be downloaded to your computer. So just wait for it to finish. Now, after this, Cloud AI will be installed on your PC like a normal app. Now, once installed, up here, click on this folder right here that says Show in Folder. Now, look for Claude and double tap on that. So it will take a few minutes. So you can open it from your desktop or Start menu. Now, after installing, so here a window will appear. So you need to click on Get Started. Next, you need to sign up with your Google account or you can enter your email in here. So I'll just click on Continue with Google. So choose your Gmail account, tap on Continue. Now here, make sure you check this circle right here. Always allow Claude to open links of this type in the associated app, and then tap on Open, and you'll be signed in. Now in here, tap on Continue, and you can start using Claude like usual. And that's basically it. That's how you can install Claude to your PC. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.